Assalamu alaikum, all my heart. So that's it then, okay? That's it. We've had the results. I told you about a squeeze that is about to happen until 7th of June. And yeah, so here we go. A moveways, sideways, breakout, fake out, right? And a move to the downside. Something that is really, really bad, of course. And for me right now, Jasmy has a different story, and I have to tell you that story. So if you go back into the daily time frame, what I'm going to do is zoom out of everything and just get these stupid promotional messages, and you do have this one top and the second top, so you're making in a very big double top and you have a technical target all the way down here. So that's where Jasmy is having its eyes on. The second thing is that, you see, for me personally, you are losing a very important neckline as well. You've already broken below the neckline. And as far as I'm concerned, yesterday this was a very clear bearish closing right there. And it's time for us to see that, you know, you're going to come up here and then hit your head. Now, this is where I will say that the bear flag is in play, okay? So the bear flag now is officially in place. So this is the bear flag. You came down, moved sideways. This is your technical target out of the bear flag, and this is your technical target out of the double top. So you do have a very big drop coming in for Jasmy. So we're talking about a drop from there to there, and it's going to be a 43% dump to the downside. Now the thing is that we still need a retest, which hasn't happened yet. So this update is going to be short, just to talk about the retest, and we need to see a retest back here, hit your head right there, and that's it. Down you go. And Bitcoin also is losing some of its support and resistance. I've been talking about this for many days about Jasmy. Look at Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin behaves, we have everything okay. Now Bitcoin went down, Jasmy followed to the downside as well, which is unfortunate for us. And that's it. Nothing else to talk about. Just a very simple update and a very quick comment on it. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.